What's going on, guys? Welcome to part 2 of the Ducati build series. We're going to put a Ducabike clear clutch cover on a 2017 Ducati 959 Panigale, so stay tuned. Okay, so now for the last thing, we're going to install the Ducabike clear clutch cover. So you got to take off the passenger side fairings. It's pretty explanatory. For the bottom one, you got 2 Allen keys underneath, one here, and it's got these 6 8mm bolts holding on the factory clutch cover. So okay, those are all loose, so pull that off. Okay. Now you've got 3 10mm bolts for the pressure plate. Undo those. Pressure plates out. Okay, so for the clutch spring bolts, tighten them to 10 Newton meters. When you're putting the pressure plate in, you got to make sure that all the teeth line up, or else it sits out and your clutch won't work. So you got to spend some time making sure it's all lined up. Put these 3 bolts in, get them snug, and then you tighten them to 10 Newton meters. The next step is moving your stock O-ring from the stock cover over to the Ducabike cover. And then we're going to throw that on right now. So we'll set this as the top, and we'll get our 6 8mm bolts. Let's start tightening those down. And we'll just tighten these down in sequence across from each other. Good. There it is, guys. That is sexy. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, check out some of my other videos, and there's going to be a lot more content coming. Take care. I'll catch you guys in the next video.